Is time travel possible in space? Time travel? Isn't it an indispensable theme in science fiction movies? But what if one day this stopped being just a dream and became reality? Scientists have been searching for the answer to this question for years, and the interesting thing is that time travel could theoretically be possible. Let's start with Einstein's theory of relativity. This theory states that time is not constant, but can change depending on factors such as speed and gravity. For example, if you move at a speed close to the speed of light, time will pass more slowly for you. This is called time dilation. This means that a person traveling in space in a ship at a speed close to the speed of light will age more slowly than people on Earth. In other words, you will have made a kind of journey into the future. But what about traveling to the past? Well, that's much more complicated. Physicists think that traveling to the past may be possible with theoretical structures called wormholes. Wormholes can work as shortcuts connecting different points or times in the universe. But the problem is that creating and stabilizing a wormhole requires an incredible amount of energy, and we don't have that right now. Then there are the paradoxes. Let's say you went back in time and intervened in your grandfather's time before he was born. This could even eliminate your existence. These types of paradoxes are called time paradoxes, and scientists are still debating how to resolve them. So for now, time travel remains a theoretical possibility, but science may one day break through these boundaries. So what do you think? Will time travel ever be possible? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. The effects of traveling at the speed of light. Traveling at the speed of light. Although it may sound like science fiction to humanity, it is a fascinating subject in terms of understanding the fundamental laws of the universe. However, traveling at the speed of light can create much more complex effects than we think. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that as an object approaches the speed of light, time begins to flow more slowly for it. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. For example, imagine traveling in a spaceship at a speed close to the speed of light. In this case, a few years spent on the ship can mean tens or even hundreds of years for people on Earth. In other words, by traveling at the speed of light, you are traveling into the future in a way. Another effect is that the mass of objects increases as their speed increases. As you approach the speed of light, your mass theoretically increases to infinity. This means that you will need infinite energy to move you faster. Therefore, current laws of physics make it almost impossible to reach the speed of light. There is also the bending of space and time. When you approach the speed of light, the dimensions of space shrink. This means that the distance in the direction you are traveling is getting shorter. But this is only relative to you. An outside observer cannot see the shrinkage. Finally, effects such as radiation can also threaten you at speeds close to the speed of light. Cosmic rays, which are everywhere in the universe, can seriously damage a spacecraft at these speeds. Traveling at the speed of light is currently a scientific and technological obstacle. However, if we can one day overcome these limits, our journey to explore the universe could take on a whole new dimension. Could you imagine traveling at this speed? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.